Alright, hello. This is going to be more casual, state of the project type recording. So let's just play some chess, eh? So we'll come over here, go lead chess, and now what do you want to play? Let's play some not too long, like 15-10. 15-20, let's see what he sees. And then we'll play this 20-30. Awesome. So now what I've been working on is you can actually play the first move. So let's see if that works. So I'll play here. And boom. Yeah, it works. So you can actually play the first move with the NicLink. So that's something I've been working on. It's a bit different. It's better. And I'm also pretty happy with how the lead chess integration has come along. The code is kind of messy, but it's pretty well, and it looks good. And the output is pretty messy, but it is what it is. It's not to be looked at anyways, unless something's going wrong. So a guy wanted me to do extend Nick to chess.com for his he has a DGT board and said it didn't work very well with chess.com, but with developing for chess.com it's going to be difficult, and I don't think it's in my wheelhouse because it's it's proprietary, and it's going to be not something I'm interested in doing. But and it's pretty beepy, like it beeps you lots and whatnot, and it but I think input is better than no input, and it's like I've debated doing like a no beep setting or something, but right now it's not important. Sure. Thank you. So I've been doing that, and I've been working on that, and it's really coming along. Like I'm very impressed with the progress I've made so far. The board API everything is working as it should. Like I still haven't done much work on correspondence, but it's not. I don't think anybody's going to be playing correspondence with an external board anyway because of the amount of setup you have to do, and it's just fiddly, and it's for one move like that it's not ideal. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. Maybe if I bored. Also the Bluetooth is something that I debated. It's as it stands, the Bluetooth is marginal. I can sort of connect to it with Bluetooth, but the problem is it doesn't have any of the functions that I would call like to get the fan. And I sort of worked on I'm working on a interface between for sort of like interface to use the same interface that I use for USB, but it's you could do it, but I sort of lost interest because it's working for me and it's not something that I have much need for or want for, but maybe if I get bored I'll look into it more. So it's when you lift up it sometimes it beeps at you because at the there's on the refresh timer it thinks the piece is missing, but it's fine, rather of that, and then I feel like for at least for me it's annoying when you don't get feedback. So too much feedback it is what it is, but I like it better having lots of feedback, because with the physical chessboard, when you get no feedback and it's not doing what you want, it's so off-putting and annoying that I would rather have a little too much feedback. Rather go on the other extreme. Yeah. So as it stands, and right now the castling is still like it just lights up all the squares, and it could be prettier, and like it could light them all up at once, but it's again, it's one of those things that I have to do a cost benefit analysis and see if it's really worth it for me, you know. I want to push the a3, but I think that's way too slow. And king safety, so we'll castle. And yeah, I've started working on the chess GUI for some guys in India, on the Elite Chess forum, and we'll see where that goes. And it's just interesting. I like having projects. Yeah, no. Do you think b4 works here? There's so much pressure, so much calculation. I don't want to go into it because I'm scared. But yeah, as you can see, and honestly, I think it'll be interesting if we just. What if I make a move now? Well, it'll. Yeah, I don't know. Well, let's see what it does. If I make this move now. There we are. It just was. Okay, so this is not correct. This should not be here. So it's telling me these squares that are not right are flashing up. So this is wrong, and this two are wrong because he moved here. And honestly, I haven't really done that much. So this is here. Cool. Now it's my move, and Give me a second, I'm going to do some calculation. So takes. Yeah, his king is already castled, and let's keep improving our pieces and wait to break. He's gonna come here, probably? No, he's not. This is gonna be annoying, and it's like, but I can't really prevent it unless I can jump my knight here, so I'm going to try to do that, to break in the center and see what happens. And yeah, I've been playing around with the refresh delay. I think a refresh delay of 1 or 0.5 is working pretty snappy and not too. It's pretty good. And yeah, the interface right now is pretty chatty, but it's like I said for developing thus far, it's just helpful through our feedback. So maybe I'll change that in the future. Maybe I won't. Well, that cannot be good because it allows me to play this. Yeah, I spelled difference wrong, and just I seen it before, but I just never went through the trouble of changing it. It's fine. It's fine. Just don't look at it. Look at the board, playing chess. Thank you.
I will see you in the morning.
Yeah, see you in the morning. Oh, it goes here. That's, I mean, I wonder if attacking and pushing again, it's or grabbing the free piece. And then what's he gonna play if I grab it? He's probably gonna play pawn captures and open up his rook. Yeah, that rook is not really that much of a threat because it's, you know, it's throwing out a pawn that's protected, so I'm gonna do it. Now this is where the tactics that I missed come in. So yeah, at least, like, it's I'm really proud of what I've what I've accomplished, and like like it's working really well to play with desktop under Linux or GNU Linux, which you're referring to as Linux is in fact GNU/Linux. I wonder if putting my knight there on a4 is going to be beneficial, because then it sort of kicks his bishop away and his bishop has to go back. Then I don't know if I have very much future there, and you know, it's, well, it opens up my bishop, and then I can play the pawn here, and I can threaten his, I don't know. Would like to get this bishop off this diagonal as well, so I can kick this bishop out here by playing. I want to play this so I can break in the center and then recapture. But I don't know if that's because I want my knight to be here blocking the annoying pin. Or the annoying double light, like this battery. So I'm gonna try something like that. So I can play here, play f4, and then I can sort of. Okay, what does that do? Gonna do it. Like he can sort of. I could have also captured here, and like, but that just feels too slow. It doesn't give an attack on his rook or anything, and then he can buffet my king with the bishop. I don't know. Mostly I didn't do it because I didn't see it, but which. That's gotta be too slow. go here to e4, and then if he get that win a tempo, and then he'll take me with his knight though. But I'll take him with the bishop and I just feel like I don't like the pressure going in front of my queen, but my king, but I don't know what to do about it. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I just feel like too much pressure is gonna get the better of me if I don't break somewhere. Queen takes. Interesting. This knight went to temple and the queen. But, where I can put it though. This now the rim, it can't be good, but I see it and it can't be bad, right? I would have played it if I didn't win the tempo and the queen and threatened to triple his pawns. Interesting. Oh, it's a check! Crap. I gotta get up some visual. Oh, shit. Fuck. Well, this was a good game. Maybe. I still have a chance because I'm still attacking his queen, but it doesn't look as good as I thought it was. It looks worse than I thought it was. I mean, if he captures the queen, I gotta capture the queen. And yeah. Seen that coming? Luckily, I think I win his white light squared bishop, and that pawn is weak. So it's what do we got on material? He is two minor pieces versus three minor pieces. I'm doing okay. not. I think I'm winning, but well, I'm definitely winning now. Oh, blundered a piece. Pretty good, pretty good. Sometimes get stuck in this error, this response error thing, but once the other, hey puppy, good puppy, you wanna go on the camera? You wanna go on the camera, boy? You wanna go on the camera? No, you don't wanna go on the camera. Good boy, good puppy. I swear he's cute. He's a good puppy. Oh, he won. He must have resigned. Yeah, Black resigned. White is victorious. Again, that we gotta. Let's do some. We'll go to the web record. There we go. Let's try to fix this resign, but let's find this response error. Try again. That's probably somewhere in my make move thing. Yeah, so this infinite loop it'll if it will let's in this accept the berserk response area. If what do I call my game over again? This function. My memory's so bad. It's game done. That's not the function. Let's go find the function is how state change. Okay, start. We need a is game over thing. So let's make an is game over function. This is my crappy way of functioning during the first move, but so what was I doing? Game done, make move. Yes. Response error. Let's see what their docs say for that. What was I looking at? There's one there. Berserk dog exceptions. Let's do some investigation. That's not true. So let's play with the bot and see what happens. So we'll go delete chess. Just play a game with a bot. Let's see what are we trying to test again? My memory. Right, we're trying to check what the response error is. So yeah. Base message. Error. just print the error for now. I'll get started. So, I'm going to do that. Log in, it's your turn. Right, so let's see if it works. Booyah! We're magic. So now let's look at the let's see if we keep playing. If let's pull up that if we can get this response error again. Let's just let's see if I'm doing a legal move. That's not a legal move. I guess you can't see, so I just moved the bishop to c3. So let's play something bad. I guess this isn't as fun for you because you can't see the screen, the board. Let's see if I can fix that. Let's see if if that worked. Yeah, it should have. I think it's I'm just trying to see if I can get the response there, so I'm not trying. Let's see if I'm also gonna demonstrate because it'll be fun. What if it happens if I do move into check? So first, what if I do move like this? Then it's the same, boop, boop. These are not the same. So I'll move something like this. Man, I need to stick in on this one. Oh, how you like them apples? Let's see what if I move here into check. Not a legal move, so just shows the see if he spots the he can't because the other move is king. Ooh. Modrix has no attribute stop. Okay, so it's having some issues with their game. No attribute stop. Ah, that was us. That wasn't this. That was the NicLink. So it. Yeah, for this, it wants the game done. So we're what is the error again? Self.stop 198. What did I name that fucking function again? Game done. Take that exception and put it in the game. Done. Not sure if I need both the stop event and the exception, but I'm just not gonna mess with it because I don't fucking remember what this how it works the best. So yeah. So what was I doing? Yeah, so this just looks exit out and it looks for another games and this waits and let's over match. Oh yeah. Ooh. Now we have to set up the board again. This is fun. All right. So this game hasn't. It's still stuck in the other game. So we'll just have to kill it. Yeah, because the functionality didn't work right, so it's fine. Because runtime error and I'm not connecting, it's probably because it's there we go. And getting the disconnecting working right is it's it is what it is. I also should probably set up the thing to have lights, but it's not that important for me. I also have to set this up so you can play the first move on resumed game with your with the board, but right now you can't. It's fine though. But you can play the subsequent ones, so Oh, that's not what I played. There we go. Ooh, my coach is messaging me. And so I just want to lose as quick as possible. Why don't we try out what happens if I resign? Because we'll have to get that working too. And it doesn't work. Awesome. This shouldn't be handle state change. This should be game done. Let me just reset this hard. Like I said, it's still a work in progress, and I'm not the most cognitive. It is like it's difficult because with my memory and whatnot, it's just a pain in the ass to actually build anything of complexity because I forget half the stuff. So so let's try NicLink again. Your turn. Awesome. So let's play this. Boom. Now let's resign to see what happens. Well, it gets stuck, I think, in the somewhere's in the NicLink code. It gets stuck, and it just doesn't exit out because there's so many infinite loops that something doesn't work out. So let's see if this works again. Nope. Yeah, it's I'm having difficulty with figuring out when games are done and getting those. So what I really have to do is just set Okay. Let's focus on getting checkmate done first. So we'll just play this out a little bit. Now we'll do resign, see what happens. Oh, third game over. Awesome. And now let's have a rematch. See if that works. Awesome, it works. And then no, I have to reset the game board. That's what it is. The NicLink game board isn't resetting. So we'll have to go to our NicLink there. You can just use a sub game board. Let's just keep her simple instead of trying to implement. Let's see, I was only working through when I have the feature that the starting fan, which is fixing out the for joining a game in progress stuff, but I don't have that done yet, and so yeah. So let's just save that up. This is save, and this is saved. And let's kill our NicLink. Thank you for NicLink. Let's go again. All right. Oh, I guess it's not self, it's global. This is why you're not supposed to use globals. Oh yeah. again, if it's stuck in this, let's see, what is this loop? This is not the same loop. Show board diff. Must be a new way to move. Maybe if I need to run the NicLink in a new thread, yeah, I might work. Yeah, because I'm already running that. So yeah, if you run the NicLink in a new thread, that way it doesn't smung up itself. So let's do that. Threading. What would it be best? Probably if I do it within the NicLink for itself. So if you go to NicLink domain, let's look up the Python threading. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna work on this, but that just wanted to keep you updated and let you be around. See you around.